It's that special time of the month when love is in the air, or at least artificial intelligence is. That's right. While some people are out planning candlelit dinners, we're here talking about the latest mind-blowing developments in robotics from all over the world. Because nothing says true love like hyper-realistic AI faces, robotic muscles, and machines that are getting eerily good at human interaction. We're diving into China's massive leaps in AI and robotics, including Unitree's latest advancements and the rise of hyper-realistic female robots that are starting to make people do a double take. And we've even got some fresh updates on everyone's favorite AI ambassador, Sophia. In China, an 8-day festival celebrating the new year has come to an end, with robot exhibitions across the country serving as the main highlight. The event brought together leading manufacturers and developers from various countries, showcasing their latest innovations. The exhibitions featured musician robots performing popular melodies, elegantly dressed robots from Cloud9 Technologies portraying characters from traditional Chinese opera, and humanoid robots from a Qingdao startup focused on fully replicating human appearance. There were also bartender robots and robo-cafes treating visitors to French fries and ice cream. Attendees were entertained by robotic dogs, robotic fish swimming in pools, calligraphy robots, and much more. In honor of the new year, a robo-soccer tournament was even organized. According to officials, more than 100 interactive scenarios featuring intelligent robots were presented, and some were truly impressive. But we will cover those in more detail in our upcoming videos. The exhibition demonstrated the rapid development of technology and its integration into everyday life. In short, China continues to advance its robotics industry by leaps and bounds. The company Humanoid, specializing in the creation of ultra-realistic robotic women, has released a new line of robots that has taken the internet by storm. The robotic dolls called Honoka stand at 167 centimeters tall and are made from high-quality, medical-grade silicone, ensuring a realistic skin texture and long-lasting durability. An internal metal frame allows the robots to be posed in various positions while maintaining stability. Their facial features, hair, nails, and other details have been meticulously crafted for maximum resemblance to a real person. Additionally, an advanced artificial intelligence system enables the robot to become a true life companion. The price of these realistic silicone robots ranges from several $100s and can reach several $1,000s depending on the chosen configuration. The world-famous humanoid robot, Sophia, has taken on a new role. She became the first machine in history to appear on the cover of Stylist magazine during the photo shoot. Sophia went through a full preparation process like a real model. A team of stylists and makeup artists worked on her look, selecting wigs of different lengths and colors, experimenting with makeup and creating various clothing styles. Additionally, makeup artists enhanced the realism of her face by emphasizing natural shadows and highlights on her skin. In an interview with stylist Sophia, spoke about the future of artificial intelligence, the possibilities of human-robot interaction, and her perspective on fashion. She can recognize faces, analyze speech, express emotions, and engage in meaningful conversations. Thanks to machine learning and built-in artificial intelligence algorithms, Sophia can adapt to her conversation partner and discuss a wide range of topics. The creator of a YouTube ASMR channel specializing in relaxation and stress relief content decided to showcase a female robot purchased from Real Lady Company. In one of the videos, the author used a full-scale silicone robotic woman designed to mimic a real person to create realistic sound and visual effects. The robot is made from high-quality, medical-grade silicone, ensuring a realistic skin texture and durability. Its internal metal frame with movable joints allows it to take various poses, making it especially useful for creating diverse content. The high level of detail includes realistic facial features, skin texture with visible pores and veins, as well as natural hair and eyelashes. The price of this model varies depending on the manufacturer, materials, and level of detail. Prices can start at several $1,000s and reach tens of thousands for exclusive models. The Chinese company Topseno continues to refine the new generation of its ultra-realistic robotic women, which could soon become companions for lonely men. At this stage, these robots are designed for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a product as close to reality as possible. Medical-grade silicone is used in their creation, giving the skin a realistic texture, softness, and durability. Great attention is paid to the smallest details, including skin texture, natural tones, and anatomically accurate facial and body features. The lineup includes models of various heights, weights, and body proportions. They feature movable joints, adjustable poses, different makeup and hairstyle options, as well as special features such as an opening mouth and movable eyes. The cost of these robots varies depending on the model level of detail and additional options. Prices start at several $1,000s and can reach significantly higher amounts for exclusive or customized models. But that is far from the only news from the Chinese company. Now even soccer players are at risk of being replaced by robotic humanoids. The Chinese robot G1 has demonstrated its soccer skills over the past year. The robot has made incredible progress, and if G1 continues to develop at the same pace, it could become a fully fledged soccer player surpassing humans in every way. The robot has 23 degrees of freedom, providing high flexibility and mobility. Its maximum movement speed exceeds 7 kilometers per hour, allowing it to effectively perform dynamic tasks. It is equipped with 3-fingered hands capable of precise and delicate manipulations, including handling fragile objects and preparing food. The robot stands approximately 130 centimeters tall and weighs around 35 kilograms. A battery with a capacity of 9,000 mAh provides up to 2 hours of operation without recharging. The price of the Unity G1 starts at $16,000, making it relatively affordable compared to similar robots on the market. Introducing the latest female robot from KD Art Museum, now available for purchase by anyone. The company specializes in the production and sale of high-quality silicone robotic women. The robot is made from a special type of silicone that provides a soft and realistic feel. Particular attention has been given to the detailed texture of the skin, including realistic skin patterns, giving this robotic doll a more natural appearance. It features an internal frame that allows for various poses, making it especially useful for photography or display purposes. KD is a Taiwan-based company specializing in the production and sale of realistic robotic machines. They offer a wide range of products, including full body and partial torso models, as well as accessories and customization services. The price of these robots varies depending on the model materials and level of detail. On average, they can be purchased for several $1,000s. The Chinese company Climax Doll is actively entering the market for ultra-realistic robotic dolls. Recently, it unveiled a new model that astounds with its human-like resemblance. This robotic doll is equipped with advanced technologies that allow it to mimic a wide range of human movements and expressions. Thanks to high-quality materials, the robot's skin and hair look and feel as natural as possible. Climax Doll engineers have also implemented an enhanced control system that ensures smooth and lifelike movements. The Climax Doll lineup includes robots ranging in height from 72 centimeters to 170 centimeters, with weights varying from 7 kilograms to 54 kilograms. Users can customize individual features such as skin tone, eye color, hair type, and additional functions that enhance the robot's realism. A major robotics exhibition was recently held in China, showcasing the most advanced developments in robotic humanoids. This event attracted a select audience of engineers, scientists, entrepreneurs, and general visitors interested in the future of technology. The main exhibits featured androids capable of mimicking human facial expressions, gestures, and even performing creative tasks, such as playing musical instruments and singing. Attendees had the opportunity to see robots that closely resemble humans, interact with them, test their capabilities, and learn about the practical applications of such technology in everyday life. Unfortunately, China's leading developer of ultra-realistic robots, X-Robots, was absent from the exhibition. However, the event was filled with emerging companies eager to create their own lineups of life like robotic machines at present. Their robots lag behind competitors, but developers assure that they will catch up in the coming years. One of the most intriguing aspects of the exhibition was the use of new, three-dimensional printing technology, which promises to enable mass production of robots in a short time. Engineers from the Chinese company DS Doll Robotics have set out to bring Detroit Become Human to life by developing a humanoid female robot with a highly realistic appearance and behavior. One of the robot's key features is its ability to display a wide range of facial expressions. Thanks to a complex system of actuators and sensors, its face can convey emotions from joy to surprise, giving it an astonishing resemblance to a human. This level of realism is achieved through a silicone covering and meticulously designed facial musculature. Additionally, the robot is equipped with motion tracking technology using built-in cameras and sensors. It can detect and follow moving objects and people in its surroundings. The robot is controlled via a dedicated app available on smartphones and tablets. Users can customize facial expressions, voice responses, and other settings to tailor the robot to their preferences. And that's a wrap on this mid-month AI and humanoid robot update. It's clear that AI is evolving faster than ever. At this rate, who knows? Maybe by next Valentine's Day, we'll all have hyper-intelligent humanoid robots sending us love letters. But for now, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI and robotics, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know which development blew your mind the most. Stay curious, stay futuristic, and I'll see you in the next one.